What is up, guys? We have a really cool walk around for you today. We're up here at beautiful Levitt Lake, Northern California. Couldn't ask for a better weekend, and we have an awesome build to check out. Wait till you check this thing out. Oh.
Hey everyone, this is Zach Reinitz with Autarky Expedition Vehicles. We are out here with our latest build. Let's show you what we got going on. Our base platform is a 2019 Ford Super Duty F450 Power Stroke diesel engine. The conversion for the lift and the tires, fender wells, was all done by a company called DBL Designs. The truck was dropped off to them brand new, and then they converted the truck to the off-road capabilities that you see now. That includes the MPT 81 42-inch Continental tires, the beadlock wheels, the Fox shocks. There's a lift provided by some spacers that lift up the coils. The front axle has been changed to a Dana 80, and an E-locker has been added as well. The rear features factory posi track, and the truck is it's a very capable machine. So the latest kitchen in V4 features a Wallace diesel cooktop. It's all flush mounted into 2-inch bamboo countertop. Provides a really strong and sturdy surface and makes it great to cook on and easy to work off of. All of our plumbing and all of our hardware is all marine grade. This is by Ambassador Marine. It's a completely stainless steel unit. It's got a 6-foot hose, so if you wanted to, you could also take it outside. You have a little outdoor shower right from the kitchen unit, which is cool. Our hot water is provided by a Timberline hydronic system. So we have a thermostatically controlled system where we can turn on our hydronic system and it'll heat up instant hot water loop. That hot water loop circulates through the camper. It provides us floor heating, instant hot water, and forced air heating. And that's all provided by that Timberline hydronic system, which is diesel powered. The diesel tank is mounted on the outside of the truck, isolated from the main truck, so that when you separate the camper, you still have all of your usable features and all of your capabilities and capacities still available to you even without the main truck, which is great. As we move on here, tucked underneath and hidden away is our toilet stall. It's on a 2,000-pound drawer slide, so even the heaviest guy can sit here and not have an issue. We use a Thetford Cassette toilet. It's got a 5-gallon cassette in the bottom. It makes it really easy to separate. You can dump it at any rest stop. You don't have to worry about finding an RV dump station. Done with your toilet, you slide it, it's out of the way. You don't have to think about it. It's not taking up a bunch of room and space. When we switch over to the other side here, this is our shower stall. It's kind of in a similar idea in that it's hidden when you're not using it, but when you are ready to use it, it drops right out. It's a stainless steel unit. It also features Thetford Marine stainless steel shower nozzle. You don't generally stand here. There's a tent that goes around you as well. The tent is stored in this upper cabinet, and it's in a waterproof bag. So this opens up. It connects to these 4 points around here, and you have a shower so the water isn't splashing everywhere. The shower drains right out, and it goes into the gray water tank and dissipates. There's no mess, there's no water on the floor, and then when you're done showering, unlike a general RV, it's hidden away, it's not taking up a bunch of space, and you're able to use your camper, to cook, to entertain, to do whatever you want. Our cabinetry all features these push latch locks. They're a very simple operation when you're driving and off-roading. They won't spring open, but when you're ready to open them, it's a really positive engaged lock. They swing right open. It's a really great latch. It's never gonna break, it's never gonna be removed, and even during the hardest off-roading, it's not coming open. We use push and twist latches for our drawer slides. Inside of here you can see our Vario cabinetry storage system. These are movable and it allows you to lock in your pots and pans, so when you're off-roading, once again, stuff isn't bouncing around. Up top we have the same latches featured. We use Japanese, it's a Shinko style hinge. It's all stainless steel, marine grade as well. It's never gonna rust, very high quality stuff. We feature our LED lighting that's tucked underneath We also leave a few LEDs in the top for some interior lighting, which is nice. If you look up above, we have our LED light pucks flushed into the roof, and those, along with all the other electronics in the entire camper, are controlled by our Red Arc system. The Red Arc system is it's a wonderful vehicle management system. It controls all of the circuits in the camper, so if we want to turn our lights on, it's a switch of a button. If we want to turn our water pump and our inverter on, once again, switch of a button, super easy. It monitors our battery level and our power, tells us where we're at with our systems, and keeps us confident about power for the long run. It's a great system. We paired that with a 200 amp hour lithium battery, and then we have 400 watts of rooftop solar. That combined with our hydronic diesel system, our diesel cooktop, you have virtually indefinite timeout. Almost 6 months of fuel capacity with only the 4 gallons of diesel, and that's full-time living. Heating the camper, using your cooktop, heating your instant hot water. The only thing you have to worry about refilling is water. We have an Indel Webasto refrigerator here. It's a pretty large size. It's got a freezer tucked into the top, provides plenty of space for all the beer and all the food and everything you need. Tucked and hidden away is all of our electronics. Gives you really easy access. Straight to your inverter, your battery, your total vehicle management system. Everything is super easy to access. Even the bottom door opens. This makes it easy to maintain. Our water system, along with our 40-gallon fresh water tank, is also stored inside the camper. So we have a 15-gallon gray tank and a 40-gallon fresh tank. It's once again stored inside of the camper, so even during the coldest nights, you're never gonna have an issue with freezing your tanks. This floor kind of simulates a teak flooring in a boat. It's a synthetic vinyl material. Doesn't matter what you pour on it, it wipes right up. It's extremely easy to clean and very durable. In the back here, we have a flip-up table. When you want to have dinner, 2 people can sit and eat, and this drops out of the way really easy. The bed is a full king-size bed. Features a Tempur-Pedic mattress. There's actually 6 inches of Tempur-Pedic foam here. It's an extremely comfortable bed. We have some storage in the back, some storage cubbies for all your clothes. And then we have it's a Sirocco 12-volt fan. Helps keep it cool as well. So what we're looking at here is a 2019 Ford Super Duty. The interior of this truck features Ford's 9-inch touchscreen. The truck has downhill assist control, it has adaptive cruise control, it has air-cooled seats, it has a huge giant panoramic moonroof. There was also a bunch of added packages. This has almost every single additional upfitter package that you can add. We've added into our upfitter switches here, we're utilizing every single one of them. We've got our front locker, our amber lights, our onboard compressor system, our rear airbags, our reverse LEDs, and then our front light bar. You have full and total control of the truck right from the driver's seat. It gives you the confidence to explore places you normally wouldn't feel comfortable going.